Letter number 28. Ya.
Yeah.
The last letter of the Arabic alphabet. Looks like a snake or a duck. I mean, ta and dha look like swans. This one looks like a duck or a snake. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Pronounced mostly either as a vowel, like E, or like a ya, as in yeah. Again, like wow, you'll get to know it better with practice. Let's see the examples. Yacht, which means yacht. Sweet and simple. See how ya turned into a bowl, like ba, ta, and tha? This is how it looks at the beginning and in the middle of the word. Okay? Check the next word. Feel, which means elephant. Which figures, I mean, to recognize the elephant in the room, you need to feel the seriousness of the situation, or something like that. And the last example, this time a famous name. Ali,
Ali? Like the Ali?
like Muhammad Ali. Ali. That's Ali, actually, it's Muhammad Ali. See how ya looks at the end of the word? The same as its official shape. So, congratulations! You reached the last letter, and now you know all the letters in the Arabic alphabet.
Congratulations!
Next, we'll talk about a few characters that are not officially letters of the alphabet, but they exist in Arabic. Don't you worry, just a few. So practice the letters you learned well, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment. I'll see you in the next video.